Talent Track, thank you very much for this recognition. Each and everything, matters to me because nobody will understand the journey. Only you can. So I understand it and respect it. Thank you.
Thank you, Talent Track Awards. This is really an honor. It's really a privilege to see and experience the love that this show gets.
Can we make some noise? This is the 8th Annual Talent Track Awards, where we celebrate excellence in digital entertainment and creativity. And the moment we all have been waiting for, it's now time.
The best talk show goes to Sunday Brunch with Stars with Kamya Jani for Curly Tales.
Well, thank you so much. And, the reason why I'm really here today is, of course, would love to thank the organizers for recognizing our talk show. But it wouldn't have been possible without this wonderful team. I think every Sunday we're having a nail-biting brunch because we are checking out the views and the reaction that has been there for the guest. Nupur is the editor and a fabulous editor at it. Rashmi as well. Khushbu is a producer on the show, and Prasad is, of course, our lead DOP who's on the show. And I think it's very important that, we recognize the whole team that puts together the show, and it's not just me alone.
Stand-up comic of the year, and it goes to
Mohammad Hussain.
I was going to introduce myself as a stand-up comic, but now I am being forced to introduce myself as an award-winning stand-up comic.
So the Talent Track Award for Digital Influencer of the Year goes to
Rohit and Kanupriya.
Well, there's no greater feeling than seeing your hard work finally paying off. That too in the form of an award. So thank you. Thank you, Talent Track.
Kamya, you'd like to say something for giving all these awards?
I would like to thank my parents for giving me this opportunity to be able to give awards.
कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत अच्छा. आपको?
आपके पेरेंट्स को थैंक यू बोलने पे मुझे भी बहुत अच्छा लगा. Thank you so much.
I think इससे पहले धक्के मारकर निकाले हमें खुद चले जाना चाहिए.
ठीक है.
The Talent Track Award for Best Actor Female in Drama. Tanya Maniktala for Loot Kand.
Well, every project is special, and so is the case with Lootkant. So this one is for Team Lootkant and from Team Lootkant. Thank you.
Patralekha Paul for IC 814 The Kandahar Hijack.
So I just want to thank Anubhav sir for giving me this special role. I want to thank my team Netflix for everything. We are on a very special journey, and thank you for everything that you guys do. Thank you.
Rasika Duggal, Mirzapur Season 3.
Thank you to our lovely director Gurmeet Singh, who's been with us since season 1. Thank you to the lovely people at Excel Entertainment. Thank you to Amazon Prime. And may one day Mirzapur be ruled by the women.
Raj and DK, Citadel, Honey Bunny.
Thank you, Talent Track Awards for this wonderful recognition. It's always lovely to win an award. It's good to be amongst your contemporaries. There are so many talented people here, and just happy to be here today.
Thank you so much, Talent Track, for this incredible honor. This is the first award that Dabba Cartel has won since its release 3 months ago. So this is certainly very special. We want to thank Netflix for being incredible partners on this project. The wonderful producers at Excel, Farhan, Ritesh, Abbas, Qasim, for their belief in this project and their support along the way. It's been absolutely wonderful. Let's take a moment to thank the incredible partners who've made this evening possible. We would like to express our gratitude, a big thank you to Magnon Designery, our content partner, Radio City, our radio partner, the Free Press Journal, our media partner, Social Ketchup, our social media partner, 9 Triangles, our process partner, Art Media Ads, our outdoor media partner,
Autumn Books, our publishing partner. Jagran Marathi, our digital media partner. Varya Jewels, our jewelry partner.
Talent Track Award for Best Director Comedy. Any guesses? Was one of my favorite shows on season 3. And it's for my namesake, Deepak. Deepak Kumar Mishra. Please come on stage. Many congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you for watching a show like Panchayat in which nothing really happens. Thank you, Prime Video. Thank you, my producer, Arnab Kumar, for having shown faith in me so that I was possible to make this show. And thank you, Prime Video. Thank you, Talent Track.
The Talent Track Award for the Best Actor Male Comedy. Prateek Gandhi Dhoom Dham.
Thank you, Talent Track. This is my second Talent Track Award after Scam. आज तक हमने सिर्फ सुना था कि जिसके पति को मारो उसकी बीवी उसे इनाम देती है, पहली बार हुआ है। मतलब फिल्म में हमारा ऐसा रिलेशन रहा है इनके पति से। Thank you, Aditya Dhar, Arsh Vora, the writers of the film, and my co-actors, Yami, and the director.
Best New Face. Well, this is Abhishek Sen Gupta, 12th fail.
I would like to thank Talent Track Awards for this felicitation, and it means a lot. And hopefully, we are going to roar even much more stronger, and we are going to go much more higher. So all the best to Talent Track.
So I have a question to ask because we are talking about content, the content that everyone's been watching these days. I'm going to come to you all and quickly, without giving a thought, since you're here now, tell me, without giving a thought, what are you currently watching?
What am I currently watching? Panchayat, I love.
Okay. All the other people, if this is your show that is being watched, please take a note. Prateek, tell me, what are you currently watching?
I just finished a film called Forgotten on Netflix. Yeah, Forgotten.
Forgotten. All right. What about you? What are you currently watching?
I'm not watching anything. I'm just watching the awards.
यही लोग हैं जो कंटेंट आगे नहीं बढ़ा रहे, जो कुछ नहीं देख रहे हैं. All right.
आपको कंटेंट दे दिया मैंने.
अच्छा, तो देखने के लिए दे दिया इसलिए नहीं देख रहे. Okay, still give it to you. What about you? What are you watching?
I'm gathering the courage to watch Khauf.
Okay, how about you?
I have gathered the courage to watch Khauf.
Okay.
I'm watching Videshi content, Sirens on Netflix.
Desi, you?
Well, I'm watching The Roshans on Netflix. He's a personal friend too, and I've loved what Netflix has done with it. It's fabulous. And besides that, watching you too.
Oh my God, that's also fabulous. Thank you. Vineet, I want to know from you, what are you watching currently?
Well, I'll have to join Deepak sir in his answer. First, I'm watching you. And the second is, why would you ask me a question about what I'm watching on screen when I have Prateek here, when I have Ravi Kishanji here, when I have Deepak sir here, when I have Rasika here, and so many awesome, beautiful faces. So this is like a terrific evening. That's what I'm watching.
Well, we have you and the other, our partners to thank for this beautiful evening.
The Talent Track Award for Best Actor in Negative Role. Saqib Salim, Citadel Honey Bunny.
Good evening, everybody. I'm not used to getting awards, so this is great. Talent Track, thank you. To get it from Prateek means a lot. I really, really love your work, bhai. So there are a few people, of course, I want to thank. There's Rajan DK. Thank you, Raj DK. Amazon Prime, my co-stars, Varun, Sam, KK Sir, Sikku, Kashvi, Arman. And yeah, that's it, guys. Have a great night. Oh, I shouldn't have said it. But anyway, have a great night, guys.
The Talent Track Award for Best Actor Male, Special Jury. My personal favorite, Manoj Bajpayee for Dispatch.
First of all, I'll give it to my director Kanu Bahal. बहुत काम कराता है. मैंने अपनी ज़िंदगी में इतना काम नहीं किया था जितना मैंने इस फिल्म में काम किया. और मेरा घुटना गया. My knees completely gone till now. Thanks to you, Kanu Bahal, wherever you are. And just for the reminder, I'll send it across to your house so that you remember what you have done to this guy. And getting this award from such a talented guy, Prateek Gandhi. Prateek, you are doing such good work. I always feel that a good actor is not by his talent, but by his choices. They're choosing well. And Sika ji बैठी हुई हैं, मेरी पर्सनल फेवरेट. बहुत ही कमाल का काम कर रही हैं. Just keep it up. Keep inspiring us. ये मुझे लोग कहते हैं कि यार तुम अवार्ड फंक्शन में क्यों जाते हो? तो मैं गांव का आदमी हूँ. जहाँ इज्जत मिलती है तो इज्जत लेने चला जाता हूँ.
छल्ली कर दे सीना मेरा, छल्ली कर दे सीना मेरा, दांत सारी गोलियां नी अज मेरा जी करदा मर जाने, अज मेरा जी करदा मर जाने.
किसी का डर नहीं मुझको, खुला इजहार करता हूँ मैं तुझको जिंदगी से भी ज्यादा प्यार करता हूँ.
I think it's amazing. I mean, if you get awarded to talk and to eat, what more can you ask for, right?
Talent Track, I've been coming here for 3 consecutive years. They've always been very, very nice to me in recognizing the work that I have been doing. So for that, I give it to Talent Track, and I'm very grateful.
When I made my debut on the web with Rangbaz, that's when I got Best Actor for it here. And now I get Best Actor in Negative Role. So I hope Talent Track continues the award ceremony, of course, and giving me awards. So it's great. मेरे ख्याल से मेरे पास और किसी के 2 award नहीं है. Talent Track पहला है. So I love Talent Track, guys. Talent Track is the best award function.
It's amazing. You know, I think that these platforms are important. I think it helps kind of connect us, you know, and allows you to kind of support each other, which is really important in a business like this. We all put so much into it. So to come together and recognize other people's successes and achievements is really, really cool.
I'm really happy that they are supporting the upcoming talent. They're supporting people like me and giving us awards and making us more confident about ourselves.
Hi, thank you so much, Talent Track. Thank you to the jury for selecting Ritesh and me as Best OTT Producers of the Year. Really sorry that I couldn't be there this year to personally come and collect the award. But my heart is filled with gratitude, and I hope to be there the next time you come calling. So thank you very, very much, and hope you all had a wonderful evening.
Thank you, Talent Track, जिन्होंने मुझे Best Actress का award दिया है. Best Actress Comedy for Panchayat. Thank you so much. मैं आ नहीं पाई उस दिन, लेकिन आपने मुझे भिजवा दिया. Thank you so much. And it's always great to get something for Panchayat. Thank you.
Until next year, this is Priyanka Lalwani signing off. Keep creating, keep inspiring, and as always, keep entertaining.